In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kapwing's green screen tool. Whether you're a beginner venturing into digital video editing or a seasoned professional looking to sharpen your editing skills, Kapwing's tool can help unlock your creative potential. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to master this amazing feature. First, we begin by heading over to the Kapwing website. It's your hub for creating more engaging content with ease, essentially acting as your digital canvas. Once there, you'll want to locate the Sign In option, typically at the top of the page. Click on it to access your account and let Kapwing know it's you creating the magic. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll have the option to sign in using various methods, one of the most convenient being through your Google account. This seamless sign-in process ensures you have easy access to all your projects and settings without needing to remember another password. With your credentials verified, the next step is choosing the account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the one you usually use for creative projects to keep everything neatly organized. Once you're in, it's time to select the project you want to work on. Kapwing will display your saved projects, so find and click on the one that piques your interest or the one ready for a fresh transformation. Now, with your project open, direct your attention to the clip you want to enhance. In this example, we're focusing on a clip with a green screen. Clicking on it will bring this clip into the primary workspace. Here comes the exciting part, editing with a purpose and precision. Switch your attention to Kapwing's Edits tab. Found in the editor interface, it's where the bulk of the magic happens. Click on it to open the range of editing tools Kapwing offers. Among these tools, you'll spot the chroma key feature, the heart of our green screen editing journey. Activating this will intelligently remove the green background from your clip, setting the stage for a visually captivating transformation. With the background removed, this is where your creativity really takes flight. You can now select and add any background you desire, such as a serene sky scene or a fantastical adventure setting. Browse through your options to find the perfect match that enhances the story you're telling. Lastly, hit the Show option to view your changes. It's crucial to preview your work to ensure everything flows seamlessly and looks just right. Then press play on the video to enjoy your masterpiece in motion. Relish in the satisfaction of transforming your original clip into an immersive experience, all thanks to the powerful editing tools Kapwing offers. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through using Kapwing's green screen tool to enhance your project. It's an awesome tool to have in your video editing arsenal, allowing you to bring almost any creative vision to life. Happy editing!